So, if you've ever watched one of my live videos, you've seen this, and it's how I switch between camera angles and have a lot of fun with it. The problem is, it goes blinky, blinky, blinky. Now, I could just change the shutter speed, or I could be a woodworker and make a cover so you can't see it. Let's do the second one. I need to figure out how tall to make this box. So if the box is here, I could make it that low. So, about 3 inches. Let's make it 3.5 and call it good. So a 3.5 inch board at that angle, that covers them up. So I need to make a box 3.5 inches tall, taper it down, do a little bit of carving. We're gonna have some fun. 10 inches to the inside plus the 3/4 and the 3/4, so that means 11.5 inches long. So I need a board 11.5 inches long. Let's make them 5. So 5 and 11.5 inches. By 11.5. I said 11.5, right? Ooh, hey, 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 we're the monkeys. Right there, look at that. Right between those dots. That makes me happy. That was easy. So let's play connect the dots between here and where's the other one? There. One. You need to go just shy of halfway. Something like that. So there's 1/2. Yeah, that's about right. And there, and I need this, and that, and that, and that. like that. Let's go with that pattern. So that one makes it pretty tight. If I move it in one more, that one makes it pretty loose. Look, no more strobing. So there you have it. This is actually a little cover to stop the strobing because for live videos, the LED plays with the camera. So yeah, this makes it a little bit easier and nicer, and it's simpler than trying to change all the settings to try and make them match the particular strobing of the Blackmagic. And if you don't know, we do a live every Tuesday over on the second channel, Wood by Wright How To. On that channel, we do all of the how-to. We build things, we talk through the why and the how. So if you want to find out more about that, every Tuesday we do either a build or a joint or a Q&A or something like that, or we'll even bring in other people and do other fun things. It is a good way to get to know people, and it's a fun time all around. If you would like to find out more about that, I'll leave links to it down below. And I do want to say a huge thank you to everyone who puts comments down below. Thank you. Just like hitting the like, share, and subscribing helps us get in front of more people, helps the channel grow. And I like it even when people just put comment down below, because that helps us out. Thank you. And there are a bunch of people who go even farther, who really want to make this channel awesome. Those are the people over here. Those are all patrons on Patreon. Without patrons or members on the channel, we wouldn't be here. We are completely sponsored by you guys. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about Patreon or memberships, well, you know what to do. Go down below, button, doobly-doo. Have fun. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. 100-year-old white oak covering up 21st century technology.